I'm Dr. Chris Nelson.
I'm Dr. Josh Kincannon.
All right, and then we're here today, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video and get to know you a little bit.
Yeah.
So tell me about yourself and where you working and why are you here?
I'm from the Reading area, born and raised. Went to grade school, high school, and even community college out here. Then after that, I ran up to Hill Country where Dr. Nelson was at. Worked there as a dental assistant, and then Dr. Nelson shuffled me around town and then shipped me off to dental school. And now I'm working at a Hill Country Health and Wellness Center as a general dentist.
Nice. Yeah, and so we got to know each other a couple years ago, and then you actually went to the same school as Andrew Zufall,
Yes.
Dr. Zufall, who's right down the street. He's a good buddy of mine, and there's prior videos with Dr. Zufall on my channel. But you know, today we went out to lunch and we kind of got to hang out, and it's really fun for me to get to see the next generation of Hill Country dentists. And so I'm 41 now. I've had 16 years of experience. And where are you at in your career?
I am 30 and I've had 11 months of experience.
There you go. So for every month of experience, I've done over a year, right? And then, but then like you look at someone like my dad who's had 40 plus years of experience.
Right.
And so for every, couple of months of my experience, anyways, I'm not a math major. But I think that's what's special about the Reading community, the Reading dentists. Like everybody's really nice, and we get along pretty well, and it's really fun to have mentorship opportunities. Because I look at guys like my dad, and I look at Ron Zufall down the street, and other doctors that have been around even longer, and I get to learn from them, and then we get to learn from each other, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, cool.
Just pass it on down.
Yeah. So what are some things at Hill Country that are keeping you really busy right now? Because I remember working there, and for me it was a lot of trying to do the right thing for patients, and sometimes even with limited resources, I felt like like sometimes a patient would need something, and I'd have to get creative.
Absolutely.
So what are some things that are keeping you busy at Hill Country?
So some things that are keeping me busy at Hill Country, of course, the patients. It's being creative. Being creative, trying to do best by the patient, and trying to get everything done in a timely manner.
Yeah.
Again, we're serving the whole Intermountain community, plus all of Reading, and so on and so forth. It's currently myself and Dr. William Sutherland up there working together. He's another new grad dentist as well, and I'm sure he'll be on the channel.
Oh yeah. I was going to
Eventually.
make a video with him. We went to a course together. You weren't able to go, and I brought my camera and everything, and it just didn't happen. We got busy. Thanks for coming by today. And if you guys like stuff like this, let me know. Also, I like to read and reply to the comments. So, and I bet you'd be happy to answer some questions there too. So
Absolutely.
if you have questions about Hill Country Clinic or our office here, that'd be fun. We'd love to answer those. Or Reading in general, if you're from the Reading area and you want to give us a thumbs up or something, that'd be great. And at the end of the day, what we're trying to do here at the private office and what you're trying to do at Hill Country are very similar, which is try to make people happy.
Yes.
And that can be a really challenging thing in a profession that doesn't have a great reputation for making people happy, right?
True.
So thank you very much for doing what you do at Hill Country and continuing the legacy that people before me created, like Dr. Logan and others.
Absolutely.
And thank you very much for helping everybody in Reading.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.
Nice.